Look at his ankle. Look at that. That's the frame I saw. Alright, Yamaha MT-125 rear end crash, and we just impacted that vehicle. We weren't paying attention. We were having too small of a space cushion and too small of a following distance. Let's go back just a little bit. So right here, look how close we are. Look how close we are to that vehicle. You can tell how close it is by the shadows. Look at those shadows. There you go. That's how close we are. Look at the space cushion we have. This is what we need to be doing. We need to be paying attention to what we are doing. And if we're that rider up front, we're not. Completely zoned out. So there's the brakes. Now we hit the brakes. We have a big lag. We're not paying attention. We're zoned out. We're white staged as that rider up ahead. Look at us. We're barely perceiving ourselves and we're barely reacting ourselves. But look at the total braking distance we are allowed to have. This is the moment he did the same thing. We both did this at the same time. The difference is I have a space cushion. That's the biggest difference. There we go. Salt in the wound. Oh, no, 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 no. There's the, oh, you see the leg? You see the leg? Very, very high mechanism injury. I'm surprised he's walking. That ankle looked like it could have been ripped off.
Thank God. For you and your damn willies.
Okay, so he's walking. It's good. He's talking. He's explaining what's happening. So he's alert, verbal.
My foot hurts a little bit, but I'm okay.
Take a look.
Okay.
We're gonna go back.
I don't know about your bike.
My bike?
Get out of the road, by the way. The bike is kind of destroyed. The main thing is you want to... Oh, is the frame okay? Can you ride? So you can at least get home.
Tail is
It was a gravity attack.
But it's-
So the main factor here is gravity.
I know, that's what matters.
So using a
You know, at least I got a
Bluetooth.
Oh, God damn it.
Holy crap. I'm alive. You okay? How far behind?
Okay, so take a look. He said his left ankle hurts. Let's take a quick look at what I thought was a high mechanism for that. Now, he would be missing his leg if it was, or not his leg, his ankle, if he wasn't wearing these boots.
Damn you.
So what we're going to do, let's take a look at this. Look at his ankle. Look at that. That's the frame I saw. I saw that frame right there. See how it twisted? In one frame. Is this 30 frames per second? 60 frames per second. That right there. That's how quick. That's how quick it is. And that's quick snap. You just tore ligaments and tendons in your ankle. That right there is that mechanism that I'm talking about. And then right here, it didn't show it, but it got yanked back even further. Let's watch it in fast motion. So when we talk about mechanism injury, when I see something like that, I'm concerned about the ankle only for a little bit because that's not life-threatening. What I'm concerned about is a traumatic brain injury, a chest trauma so that you can't breathe, a circulation problem where it's bleeding internally or bleeding externally. That's my biggest problem here, or my biggest concern. Ooh.
Oh my God.
So the fact that he did that and hit the ground, that's not good. You got to watch out for the head. Good thing he's got full gear. Now, part of being a smart rider is acquiring and utilizing personal protective equipment, but that doesn't save you for being dumb. So here's the thing. He's walking. He's upright. So he's got circulation going. He's breathing because he's talking. He's able to walk, so his musculoskeletal system is at least functioning right now, or at least being held in place. Those boots are acting as a splint for probably a broken ankle. So this is good. This is good.
You and your damn willies.
So this is good that he's able to move and do what he needs to do. All right? We're We're going through the mountains. Oh, buddy. Motorcycle is just hanging out by himself. We almost hit the motorcycle. Wasn't paying attention. Where's the owner? Okay, you see the dust? That's where the owner is. So this person crashed going too fast in a sharp turn area. I'm circling all the chevrons to let you know this is a sharp turn. So we're going way too fast, went right off the road. The bike stayed up because it hit the guardrail, and the bike is pretty damn balanced, and it wants to stay up. So that's where it goes. So we're focused on that, but our buddy is right there. That is my concern. You see how he has a high-vis helmet, and you're able to see that? It's pretty cool, huh? That is what I'd be worried about. We have to make sure we rescue him. So we make sure we remain calm, ensure our own safety. So we're going to be doing that right now. We're not paying attention. We're possibly going to hit that bike. We need to stop any major bleeds that could be happening. We have to quickly assess the severity. Now, this type of accident, you always have to assume that there's going to be a head injury and a spinal cord injury. Going into the shock is a later stage, and that's usually when you have a loss of fluids like blood or being dehydrated. You can go into shock for that. And the treatment right there is right there. Now, we have all of that with our brand new rescue kit. Okay, but this person right here, if they're bleeding out, you want to save them. So we weren't paying attention here. We were almost hitting the bike. We had to swerve out of the way. We should have been slowing down and taking care of our buddy. So now we got to remain calm. We got to ensure our own safety, slow down traffic. But let's turn around and help them. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pass right here. We're going to accelerate. It's a crest of the hill. You can't see over that hill what's going to come over the other side. That person is going to turn left into that area. So what are we going to do? We're going to try to brake and almost hit them. Got very lucky with that progressive brake pressure. Very, very lucky. So what's happening here? We're going 104, I'm guessing, kilometers an hour. We're passing all these vehicles, crest of the hill. You can't see the intersection coming up. Let's not go this fast. Now we're in this position. So we anticipate that this person is turning left. So can we swerve right into a better escape path, or do we just brake? So we have the space cushion. We just perceived and react because we're starting to squeeze the brakes. We could either swerve, or we can try to brake like we did. Or we could brake, and then swerve. We could do multiple things. He chose just to brake. And thankfully, he has good progressive brake pressure or ABS. So he's squeezing. And we almost hit the RAV4. Almost. We didn't move out of the way. We're still in the lane. He did what he needed to do and did it. It's a close call, though. I'd rather not be in that close call situation because what happened, he was hauling ass. Don't haul ass, you wouldn't be here. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.